quirks are small, often insignificant problems or features that may seem minor but can be very frustrating or irritating over time. These are usually things that people encounter regularly in their daily lives, like poorly designed products, unnecessary complications, or things that don't work as expected. They aren't serious issues but can cause discomfort or annoyance because they feel unnecessary or easily avoidable. Let's talk about it. Conversation 1. Hey Kate, how was your business trip? Oh, don't even get me started. The hotel was okay, but the lighting in the room was terrible. It was so dim that I could barely see anything, and my eyes were killing me after a while. That's horrible. I'm really sorry to hear that. It must have been so frustrating. You'd think hotels would know better by now. Exactly. I had to squint the whole time I was trying to work. I mean, why can't they at least provide brighter desk lamps or give us a choice for different lighting options? Yeah, I know what you mean. I've stayed in hotels like that before. It's not just the rooms. Even the lobby is sometimes too dark. It's like they're trying too hard to create a relaxing atmosphere, but it just ends up being uncomfortable. Exactly. It's like they don't realize not everyone is there just to chill. Some of us actually need to get things done. They should definitely consider that. I mean, it's not that hard to add some brighter lights or have adjustable settings. It would make such a big difference for people who need to work or even just read comfortably. And it's not just hotels. I went out to eat at this fancy restaurant, and the menu was so unclear. I couldn't tell what half of the dishes were because they didn't describe the ingredients or how they were cooked. Ugh, that's so annoying. You end up asking the waiter about every single dish just to figure out what it is. It's not only awkward, but also takes so much time. They should definitely have a more detailed menu, or at least offer an option for one. I know, right? I felt bad having to ask about every other item, and even then, I wasn't sure what to order. It really takes away from the whole dining experience. Yeah, it's like they're trying to be too mysterious or exclusive. But honestly, we just want to know what we're eating. They should include a small description for each dish or have a QR code that links to more details. That would be so helpful. A little more information would go a long way. I mean, I appreciate creativity, but I don't want to be guessing what's on my plate. Exactly. We're not looking for a guessing game, just a good meal. It would be nice if these places paid more attention to these details that really matter to customers. Definitely. It's the small inconveniences that can make or break an experience. I hope more places start considering these things. It would make traveling and dining so much more enjoyable. Agreed. Next time you book a hotel or choose a restaurant, let's hope they've got better lighting and clearer menus. Fingers crossed. Conversation 2. Hey Sarah, how's your day going? Not too bad. Just got out of a long meeting. How about you? Same here. I was actually thinking about how exhausting those meetings can be. They always seem to drag on forever. That's so true. And you know what else can be exhausting? Those elevator rides. Oh, I completely agree. Those elevator ads are just the worst. They're so loud and annoying. Right? It's like the moment the doors close, they start blasting all these commercials. I just want a little peace and quiet. Exactly. I mean, do we really need to be sold something while we're just trying to get to our floor? It's so distracting. And the worst part is when you have to listen to the same ad on repeat. By the time you get off, you feel like you've memorized the whole thing. Yes! And don't get me started on the music they sometimes play. Why does it have to be so loud? It's like they want us to feel overwhelmed. Exactly! If I'm in a crowded elevator, I don't want to feel like I'm at a concert. I just want to get to my destination without all that noise. Totally! They could at least play something soft and calming that would make the ride much more pleasant. Yes. Or how about just turning down the volume? I'd take that over the loud ads any day. A mute option for those ads would be perfect. Just a little consideration for our comfort would make such a difference. Exactly. I really hope more places start thinking about these small annoyances. It would definitely improve our daily experiences. Agreed. Sometimes it's the little things that really get to us. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.